Hi everyone, welcome to geometry class. Chapter 4, 4.1. Here we learn how to identify points, line, rays, line segments, intersecting lines from given figures. So let's start from question number 1. Here we have 2 rays and 1 line, and number of points we can easily count. Point means a shape having no length or width. Here we have D, E, O, B and C. These 5 points in the figure. Now let's identify a line. A line means having no end points. That is your DB. Next, 4 rays. First ray, here we have OB. Ray means having one starting point and no end point. Let's see with the second, OC. That is your second ray. In the same way, we will identify next, that is your OD and OE. These are rays from this picture. Now we identify 5 line segments from the same diagram. So let's start from the first line segment. We can identify line segment has 2 endpoints, one starting point and one end point. So here we have first line segment DE, second line segment EO, third line segment OD, OC. You can also take OB, EB as you wish. These are your line segments having 2 endpoints, one starting and one ending point. Now let's move to the second question. Let's see which is our second question. Name the line given in all possible ways. Here we have a line in which 4 points A, B, C and D. So here we have first line segment AB, then AC, then AD. We just have to write the possibilities in which we can count line segments. Same way you can take BA, CA, DB and so on. Whatever choices you can take. One thing we remember, not to repeat the line segment. So here we have 6 possibilities. Let's see our third question. That is, use the figure to name line containing point E. So here we have 2 lines which contain point E, A, E and F, E. Because both have one vertex in common, so here is our answer. Next, line passing through A. The same line is passing through A, E, or you can say A, D, because D is also lying on the line A, E. D point is also on the line A, E. Next, line on which O lies. That is CO, simple. CO, or you can say OC. Both ways are right. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Here we have pairs ADOC and AEFE. These lines are intersecting. How many lines can pass through a point? As you can see in the picture, infinite number of lines can pass through a single point. And how many lines can pass through 2 points? Here is only one line which can pass through 2 points. Let's move to the next question. Point P lies on AB. First we draw a line AB and take a point P on it. BXY and PQ intersect at M. Point of intersection you have to take as M, as shown in the picture. Next, line L contains E and F but not D. The point D you can take anywhere on the plane on the left or on the right, but not on the line E, F. OP and OQ meet at O. Meeting point will be O. Next we do true false. Q, M, O, N and P are points on line MN. That is true. As shown in the picture, all points lying on the line. So it's true. M, O and N are points on a line segment MN. O lies in the middle of MN, so it's true. M and N are endpoints of line segment MN. Clear from the picture? So answer is true. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. As we are O and N, so points should be O and N. So answer is false. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. There is no M. M is in the middle of OQ, so answer will be false. M is a point on ray OP. It's false. Outside of the ray, so it's false. 7th, ray OP is different from ray OM. Yes, of course, OP is on another side and ON is the opposite of OP. Ray OP is same as ray OM. It's also false because these both are on opposite direction. Ray OP is not opposite to ray OP. Yes, it's true. O is not an initial point, means starting point of OP. It's false because O is the starting point of ray OP. N is the initial point of NP and NM. It is true.